Llama, llama, wakey, wake. Time to wiggle. Time to shake. Okay. Brush your teeth. Comb your hair. Find some nice clean clothes to wear. Put your shirt on. Now put on your pants. Eat your breakfast. Make a snack. Grab your coat and grab your pack. Good. A kiss for me. Mwah. A kiss for you. Mwah. You say mwah. Thank you. Time to start the day brand new. What do they say? Bye-bye, Mama Llama. Say bye-bye. Love you. Yeah, he's going to school. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. I love you. No, that's his. That's his baby. He's going to take that baby to school with him. Yeah, I think so. No, you can't have it. It's not yours. No, you're going to share. He can play too. You want to get another book? Do you want to get another book?